Hello everyone, Chasing Moon here, and we are back with a new unboxing. It was actually a very exciting day because we got one of the new Samsung devices, and as you may guess, it is a Galaxy Fold 2. Let's talk about the device a little bit. It does come in two colors. There is a Mystic Black and a Mystic Bronze color. The one that I will have in the box is a Mystic Bronze, but you will have option for Mystic Black, and they also allow you to customize the hinge, and for it you will have options for Mystic Bronze, Mystic Silver, Mystic Gold, Mystic Red, or Mystic Blue. Keep in mind, if you decide to customize hinge, you will have to wait up to 5 or 6 weeks for the device to be delivered to you, so it will take some time for Samsung to create one. Also, if you are looking to get a deal on a phone, I would definitely check out Samsung website directly for any kind of trade-in deals that they have, and they have quite a few. Regular price of the phone is $1,999.99, but let's look back again and unbox the phone one more time. We get a square looking box, and the inside part of the box does open up as a book. Inside of it, the first thing that you see is a Samsung insert, just a black envelope. There is nothing special inside. There is just some instruction and introduction paperwork for you to get to know the device a little bit. And then the paperwork for change the shape of the future. Basically, everyone knows that Samsung will be trying to build the future devices as foldable. Then you have the phone that is wrapped up in the plastic with some care instructions on it. And you have a Galaxy Z Premier service. That one guarantees a screen replacement, one-time screen replacement within that first year. Also in the box you have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cord and a charging block. On a positive side, you do get a charging block because, as you know, with the newer Apple devices, there is no charging block coming in the new boxes. On the phone, you will also get a notice for wireless charging. So you need to fold the device. You cannot wirelessly charge it whenever it is unfolded. The device is beautiful. It feels great in hand, and we're gonna power it up and set it up. Okay, so now the phone is on. It is set up. The full review I'm gonna create a little bit later. This is just an unboxing review and kind of just, first impressions. The inside screen is a 7.6 inch screen, so it is large enough for you to enjoy Netflix, YouTube videos. It does give you that feeling if you are using a tablet, not a phone. Something to keep in mind, Samsung does have pre-installed screen protectors on the inside screen and outside screens. They suggest you not taking them off. Originally, honestly, they did not bother me. I did not notice much of the fingerprints or nothing on the screen. However, after some use of the phone, you definitely will have fingerprints on the screens. So you probably want to find some kind of cleaning cloth to get rid of those fingerprints. Alright, so I found just a random 4K video to see and to show you how would be the experience with a full screen. I'm probably one of those few people who is actually bothered by that cut out camera in the screen. It does bother me during the videos. I notice it all the time. Yeah, I hope that Samsung will do something about it in the nearest future. So the last thing that I did want to show you during this unboxing is that I did try to test my camera right away, and I took a couple of pictures outside. So far, I really like the camera. I really like the phone. As I said, the full review will be coming, but as of right now, thumbs up to the phone.